When creating an email campaign, you might find yourself stuck choosing between two different subject lines, like one with emojis and one without. With A/B testing, you can let data make the choice for you. You can do this in SendinBlue by selecting A/B test and inputting your two subject lines on the setup page. Then, on the split rules page, use the slider to easily adjust the size of your sample. Now, choose the metric you want your test results to be based on: open rate to gauge interest in your value proposition, or click rate to ensure that your content of your subject lines is in line with your email. Last but not least, choose how long you want your test to wait for results. You can select anywhere from 1 hour to 7 days. After the test with the sample group finishes, the better performing subject line will be used for the rest of your contacts. You can then check the results to see which subject line your audience liked most.